Hello and welcome to this new playlist by Knots by Kiara. So I'm gonna start a whole new series all about the Addi machine. I'm gonna be using the Addi Express small size and the Addi Express king size. And I'm gonna be showing how to use them, some fun different patterns you can use with them. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the machines real quick here. Okay, so this is the Addi Express small size on the left. And on the right is the Addi King Size Express. So when you buy these, you get all the little components that you see on the left side here. This little red needle on the top side here. It's a little yarning hook for you, and it also helps with stitching in, and you'll see in the later videos how. Comes with these little hooks that you can hook underneath onto a counter, a table, wherever you are working. As long as it fits under here, it'll grab and tighten up. Both of them have a plain knitting and circular knitting. Plain knitting means you can go back and forth, and that just means you can make a panel. And then circular knitting means you just go in a circle. So real quick, just to show you, right now I have it on circular around. And if you're wondering, this is in German, so there's no yarn on here. But as you can see, it's just gonna go all the way around. They're just passing the black hooks. Okay, so now if you put it on plain knitting, it'll stop. It has like a little stop right here. There it is. Doesn't let you go anymore. And then it'll stop again on the other side. And there it is. So this is the small size. They both have a counter here. Sorry about the little yarn dust here. They have a little counter here so you can count your rows. Every time you reach the black hooks, it counts as one. So right here. And that is the machines that I'm going to be working with for this next series. So definitely, if you would like to know more about these machines, how to use them, some fun patterns to try, subscribe and you will get the notifications whenever I have a new video out. Other than that, those are the Addi machines, and go ahead and get ready for the next videos. Thanks for watching. Have a blessed day.